Hello makers, Fusion 360, how to find joints for a component and edit it in the simplest possible way. So I got this sketch here. What I want to do is I want to move this motor. To do that, I need to edit a joint. We could make all joints visible, but there might be more than one joint at the same place. So we want to find the exact joint referred to this component. We can click and then do find in browser. Then we can see it here in the browser to the left, and we can right click and do select referring joints. Then we can see the blue joint here, left click and then right click and do edit joint. A quicker way to do it is just to double click the component, right click and select referring joints. Again, you can click the joint and right click and do edit joints. Now we can move the motor where we want it to. Of course, you can also make a parameter for the joint, which I already did. So let's go to parameters, change parameters. In my list, AB motor distance. Let's change this now, say 80 and OK. The joint automatically updated now. Let's do an undo. This is what we had. This is what we have now. If you are not using parameters, then we can do this motor, double click, right click, select referring joints, right click the joint, edit joint, and if you go into the joint, we can now edit this. Or we can use my parameter, minus AB motor distance, and it will move over to here. Now our belt path is updated. One more example, go to the parameters from 80 to 100. Joints will update, so will the belt path. Undo, redo. So that's how to find reference joints in Fusion 360 in the simplest possible way. Please subscribe for more 3D printing and 3D modeling content. I'm soon to prototype a new CoreXY DIY 3D printer. Stay tuned for that. See you guys soon.